how to add an event to calendar on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar and select date from here. After select date and type event name, and you will see after select date, type event name, select date, and you will see 1 week before, and add notifications, select color and click on save. You will see event is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.